Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I like to make chicharrones in the oven. These are oven roasted without any deep frying necessary. They come out super crispy and juicy on the inside. They are just so incredibly addicting, especially served with a side of homemade guac. It is just perfection. So grab your ingredients and let me show you how to make them. Okay, so my secret for getting these to crisp up beautifully in the oven without any deep frying necessary is using a combination of baking soda and lime juice. This combination really pulls out some of that fat, creating a super crispy, crunchy skin and leaving that super juicy pork interior that we love. So I'm combining the baking soda with some salt and sazon just to give this rub some flavor. Then we're adding our lime juice and it will have this reaction that you see here. We're just gonna mix it all together until it forms a smooth, consistent paste. And then we're ready to set that aside while we prep our pork belly. So I'm using about 2.5 pounds of pork belly here. It's really important that you clean it and then just dry it off really well before we do anything else. This step is really important in just, again, ensuring that we get as much of that moisture out of the pork belly, helping to result in a super crispy skin. And then from there, I'm just gonna cut my pork belly into strips. I like to do about 1 inch thickness, but it's up to you what you prefer. Just know that the thicker you go, you may need to extend the cooking time to reach and achieve that crispy exterior that we're looking for. So yeah, I'll cut them into strips that are about 1 inch thick. And with the piece of pork belly that I got, I ended up with about 8 strips with these dimensions. If you want them to be thicker, you may end up with less. And again, you can also create longer strips if you're into that, or you can make them smaller and shorter. Totally up to you how you'd like to do that. And then after I've cut my strips, I like to just cut little notches about 1 inch apart from each other just to create some space in between the meat to help it just cook evenly. So once you've cut those little notches in all of your pieces, the strips should look a little something like this. And then from there, we are ready to go ahead and add our rub that we created. So I'm just gonna pour this all over the meat, and then we are just gonna rub this in, making sure to get it all over the fat especially. And then any leftover of that rub, we're just gonna continue to rub all over the rest of the meat. So you wanna make sure to focus that rub on the fat caps on the top of our pork belly, just again, because that baking soda and lime juice combination is what's really gonna help to create that perfectly crispy texture that we want. Okay, so from there, we are ready to get our pork belly in the oven. So I'm just gonna arrange it on a baking sheet, just making sure that we're not overcrowding them. We wanna give them space to really render out that fat and crisp up as much as possible. And then you're gonna preheat your oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. We want it nice and low so that the meat can cook low and slow for about 30 minutes on one side. And then we'll pull the pork belly out, flip it over, and cook it for another 30 minutes on the other side. I know they look a little bit crazy right now, but just trust the process. I promise these turn out so good. And while they're roasting, I like to make a little bit of guac just to have as a dipping situation, because this is my favorite combination ever. Obviously, you could serve this with really anything like arroz con gandules or arroz con habichuelas, just whatever your favorite combination is, feel free to do that. But highly recommend trying it with guac if you haven't before. I'm not really using a recipe here, but I like to add my avocados to a mortar and pestle and just mash them up really quickly in there. Then I add lime juice, salt, and then some minced jalapeno, onion, tomato, and cilantro, and just mix everything together until it is evenly combined. Okay, at this point, my pork belly is out of the oven. It's been roasting for about 30 minutes on each side. You could just stop here and enjoy it as is, but I like to get it just a little bit more crispy on that skin. So I remove it from the baking sheet, turn the oven up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, and then add a baking rack onto the baking sheet before returning the chicharrones to that rack. This just gives the meat a little bit of separation from all of that rendered fat and allows it to really crisp up all around on every side at that higher temperature. So we'll roast these for another like 10 minutes or just until they are crispy to your desired texture. And just like that, you have made oven roasted chicharrones. So crispy, so juicy on the inside. I love serving these with a squeeze of lime juice and a sprinkle of salt on top. And then, like I said, that homemade guac as a pairing is next level, so highly recommend you give that a try, or just serve however you like. I don't know about you, but I'm always looking for ways to simplify my favorite Puerto Rican dishes, and if I can reduce the amount of oil in the process, that is just a win-win. And for me, this recipe did all of those things and more. Chicharrones are just one of those comfort foods that I just crave every so often, and I'm really excited about this technique. So if you give it a try, definitely let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.